Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. It's super fluorescent yellow masonry line. So this is just like ridiculously strong string. It's good for if you're going to be doing any type of brickwork or something like that, and you want to just run something level, or construction for running concrete stuff or whatever it is you need. This will give you the ability to do that. Let me see if I can find the end here. I think it's over here. Let's see. Yes, that is it. There we go. Cut the end here. So this is what it looks like here. It's super strong and not stretchy or anything like that. So you can get a nice taut line, and you're going to have 1,000 feet of it here. So this is going to be crazy long. So really nice string, and this will go, this will be good for a whole project probably. So super nice to have. Thumbs up for sure. It's great. I like it.